Welcome back to Overheat and Technical Marvel. The 2025 Koenigsegg Regera blends advanced hybrid technology with unadulterated power. This hypercar pushes the envelope by fusing opulent comfort with amazing speed. The Regera is evidence of Koenigsegg's unwavering quest for excellence. And they have once again revolutionized performance. A thorough explanation of the 2025 Koenigsegg Regera can be found here. External design. The Regera is streamlined. Aerodynamic appearance is striking at first look. Each curve and contour serves a specific function, optimizing downforce while preserving a sleek, futuristic look. Its distinctive synchro helix dihedral doors enhance its impressive appearance and leave a lasting impression wherever it goes. Its sharp, aerodynamic design comes from the lightweight carbon fiber used to make the exterior. Every curve and vent on the vehicle has a specific function, such as increasing downforce, decreasing drag, or improving airflow. Its distinctive wraparound windshield and butterfly doors give it a futuristic appearance that attracts attention everywhere it goes. Engine performance. The Regera's beautiful hybrid powertrain is hidden beneath its gorgeous exterior. 3 electric motors and a 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine cooperate. This hybrid powerplant generates more than 1,500 horsepower when combined. The Regera uses Koenigsegg's groundbreaking direct drive system, which does away with the need for a gearbox, in contrast to conventional hypercars. The automobile can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2.8 seconds thanks to this configuration, which guarantees a smooth power delivery. In contrast to a conventional gearbox, the Regera's groundbreaking direct drive transmission transfers power straight to the back wheels via a single-speed fixed gear. This removes the weight and complexity of a multi-gear transmission and results in a smoother, more continuous acceleration sensation. Elegant interior. The 2025 Koenigsegg Regera greets you as you enter its luxurious cockpit, which combines state-of-the-art technology as you drive the automobile to its limits. The superior leather upholstery of the seats provides comfort and support.